I never knew the Opinels came in a paper envelope until I grabbed this number 12. So this is one of my larger Opinels. This is a carbon. They make them in stainless also. Opinels have this lock that twists, and now the blade can't change. This is essentially a really nice larger knife, very lightweight with their fancy wood handles. This one, of course, has the carbon steel blade, so it's going to be super easy to sharpen and keep a really nice grind on there. You can see that it's got their infamous grind. We can shift that lock, fold this thing back up, and what's nice is you can also lock it when it's folded. So that's the Opinel. This one is, they name them by the size. So this one is the number 12, one of the larger ones, and it's in carbon. Hope this helps.